the 2nd of October and we've just picked up our campervan from Edinburgh, and we've got this campervan, this is our sleepy for the next 8 days.
It is, we've got a nice pop-top roof, certainly be an adventure.
Yeah, let's get the adventure going.
Next stop, Inverness. So we're just at the side of Loch Ness and we're going to go for a little walk along the shore and see if we can see Nessie.
Yeah, it looks like a nice little trail as well, called Change House Trail, and it's 1.5 miles long, so hopefully we'll get some nice views of Loch Ness.
Yeah, let's go explore.
So there's hardly a cloud in the sky today, which is super cool. And the sun is just glistening off the loch, so it looks really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, stunning.
It's absolutely
stunning. Not going to open the gate? Going to leave Loch Ness behind now, go and fuel up, grab some beers, campsite, and then start the North Coast 500 in the morning.
Yeah, unfortunately we didn't see Nessie today, but we've got stunning views and the weather is absolutely perfect. Yeah. Blue skies, sun shining.
Warm as well for October.
It's absolutely stunning here. At Inverness Caravan Park. We're all set up and everything's super cute inside the van. We've got some alcohol, food, and we're just ready to chill out now for the night.
Yeah.
It's been a nice day. Loch Ness was absolutely stunning. Really enjoyed Loch Ness, and there's been a lot of driving as well today.
Yeah, a lot of driving, but looking forward to having our first night in the camper.
Yeah, it's so cute. I love it.
So, 7:15, we're up, showered, Anne's just in the shower, and I've got the kettle on, ready for brekkie. Just about to go and start the North Coast 500, what we originally come here for. Slight change of well, we never really had a plan as such, but we had a rough idea, but because of the weather we're not going to go all the way to John O'Groats and stay in John O'Groats tonight. We're going to go just past Dornoch, so we're going to try and go to Inverness Castle first, Tesco while we got the chance, and then head for the Black Isle up to Dornoch.
Yeah, should be good. The weather's not on our side today, but let's see what happens.
It's an adventure.
So we've just parked the camper van up in Inverness City, and the castle is just behind us. So we're going to look at the castle and then go and have a wander around the city.
Happy days.
Just about done now looking around Inverness Castle. It's a tiny cute little castle, but the area where we are offers some really nice views, which are here.
first stop is Beauly Priory Abbey Ruins. It's about a 25-minute drive out of Inverness, and the weather's on our side. Well, to be fair, it has eased up a little bit.
Yeah, it has.
But yeah, here we are. Pretty cool. We're going to make our way to our next stop. We're going to go to Fairy Glen waterfall and do a little walk around there.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Also about the abbey, it's just in the middle of like a village. It's not in the middle of nowhere. There's like houses surrounding it in a little village, which is like, it's really bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah, normally something like this, you drive 5 miles without anything around it.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, we've arrived at Fairy Glen car park, so we're going to do a walking trail to Fairy Glen Falls, which I'm really excited about because it sounds like a really magical and mysterious place. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Fairy Glen Falls.
Yeah, we're all geared up in all our wet gear.
Yeah, all geared up, let's go.
It ain't stopping us.
The trail that we're on, it's quite sheltered, so it is keeping the rain off us. But just an idea, we knew it was going to be cold because obviously we were in Scotland in October, but I've got leggings, fleecy waterproof trousers, 3 pairs of socks and 5 layers for on top as well, and gloves, and I've got ski gloves as well in my coat pocket, so we're all well prepared for this Scottish weather.
So we've made it to Fairy Glen Falls.
There it is!
It's a nice little pool as well, but I think it's a bit cool to go for a swim.
It's really pretty, so pretty.
We're all dried off, had lunch, and now we're off to the next place, Dornoch Beach.
Yeah, although it is cold because it's October, I can imagine that this is really beautiful in the summer. I mean, the sand looks really lovely now. It's all like white sand. Yeah, so it is what it is. Stop off before we hit our campsite. We're just at Dunrobin Castle. It was a must on the North Coast 500 trip, so we've stopped off to have a look.
Yeah, and it's living up to the reviews. So that's it, day 2's at an end. Feel like we're on a little bit of a winner, but the freedom of having the camper, we can sort of choose when and where we go. The original plan was we'd be staying at John O'Groat's car park now, no hookup, eating a pot noodle, but we've booked on to a campsite. We've got good electrics, we've got the heater tonight, and we're going for a pub grub. It just means we've got a bit more to drive in the morning, but it's one of them.
Yeah, day 2's been good. I really enjoyed the Fairy Glen Falls. That was ace. And even though it's rained, it's still been a pretty good day, to be fair. Like Nath says, we've had the camper and stuff, so we've just been able to please ourselves with whatever. Yeah, so we're just going to get some food now, some pub grub, which we're both really looking forward to.